こんにちは、イフィです。アラナです。今日はなんと馬に乗りに行きたいと思います。イエーイ！Which part of Texas are we? 今、ダラス、テキサスに来ているんですけど、ホテルの近くに馬に乗れるところがあって、2時間コースで1人$60、6000円くらいだから結構安く馬に乗れるコースがあるので、今日はアラーナと2人で馬に乗っていきたいと思います。では早速行ってきます。Before we go, we're gonna show our outfits. Don't look like I'm about to ride a horse, you know? Alana looking like a Texas girl. I like this outfit, it's cute.
This is good.
You're giving me Texas vibe. I'm so happy that I encouraged you to change.
Oh yeah.
I always take credit for everything, so.
You change me, Effie. Effie changes me every day. She makes me a beautiful person, a more beautiful, more caring
Inside
person.
and out.
Inside and out.
Thank you. Okay, let's go. Where are we?
I know, I'm just following you out. No. We're going to a lake.
We're going to a lake. Okay, this road is giving me anxiety.
I know, it's like so narrow. This feels like a beach. Oh, I think we're going over a bridge. We're going over a bridge. Or no, we're not.
Sing that song. The bridge song that you made.
What is the bridge song? Are we? No, that was a boat.
There's a lot of boats here. It looks like ocean.
But it's a lake.
Is this like a fake thing? Or it's natural lake? How do lakes come to like life? Why do we have lakes?
Oh, that's a great question.
How do we get lakes?
Comment below.
Comment below. If anyone knows how lakes are formed, please let us know. This is so peaceful.
It is. Oh, so we can park here now?
Yeah.
How do I park in this? Park like.
You have all this parking space. This is funny. And you decided to park here. Oh, this is funny. No, but this parking space is big.
Very
But you decided that this is. We are here. Apparently. Apparently we're here. Wait, I don't see anything. But
Right here.
I really don't want to be here like at night. There's no
this
street
is very
lights.
scary.
Horses! So many horses.
The destination is on your right.
Oh
Marshall
my
Creek Ranch.
goodness. Do you see all these horses? Oh my goodness, we're here.
I'm so excited. Let's go.
Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it here. What?
My purse?
Why would I have your purse?
I thought you took it from the Taco Bell. You had your purse in the Taco Bell?
Yeah.
We just came from eating. We just got to the horses. And I'm like, where's my wallet? Where's my purse? I left it at the Taco Bell. Now the Taco Bell has my everything, my whole life.
You just leave purses everywhere. That's fun.
I thought Iffy was holding it because she has a black purse too, but she didn't.
Why would you think that I would be
don't know.
holding your purse?
I think
Well, at least they have it.
we're gonna ride horses and then we're gonna get it. They close at 1 a.m.
You have a phone?
I have my phone.
What else do you need? I have money. What else do you need?
My
Nothing.
ID, maybe. I don't know.
You don't have a picture of your ID on your phone? So you're fine. We're good. Let's
We're
just
fine.
enjoy this moment. So we're gonna write this paper. なんかサインして乗ってきます。
When we go to bed at night, we won't turn out the light until we made it right and repair the fight. We talk about what's tough, not afraid to bring it up. We laugh when times are rough. All of is enough to carry us through.
So calm. So we all get a horse.
People like to walk down in Shelby Park. You hold my head up there.
wide around the other horses inside the circle, you guys.
We don't belong here. I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud. Let's pack up a life, baby, and call it a night. 'Cause the longer we stay here, the harder the fight. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start.
Y'all two gonna want pictures?
Yes.
All right.
Wow. How was it, Lulu? It was very peaceful. It was like calming experience.
All right, sir, do you want to get off the cowboy on the ground?
Yes. How was the ride? Was it good? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the ride, Pachi. I'm gonna miss you. It was like a great 2 hours with you.
Let's get a selfie of all three of us.
We're family. My arm is like too short. Thank you so much, Pachi. I like your little bangs. He's old. Revive. I have so much love for these horses now. So cute. ここ本当可愛いからテキサス来た時はもう絶対皆さんここ来て馬乗ってほしいです。めっちゃ可愛い。めっちゃ可愛いしスタッフの人はみんなめっちゃ優しい。2時間ぐらい馬乗ってたんですけどめっちゃお尻痛い。Does your butt hurt?
My butt hurts. The insides of my here area.
Like your thigh?
Like this.
The back of my thighs hurt.
I don't know how you wore shorts.
It hurts.
Especially when we did the little fast trots.
It was fun though.
It was fun, but it hurt.
It was fun, but it hurt. So if you're ever riding horses, wear long pants. この動画が良かったと思った方は、いいねとチャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。またね。またね。さよなら。さよなら。